We want to go practical in this course. Because of this, we need an installation of Java on your local system. We need this installation of Java on your local system because within this installation, JShell is included and we have to execute JShell for the exercises. So within this lecture, I want to show you how to install Oracle Java 11 on a Windows 10 machine. If your local operating system is different from Windows, you need a slightly different installation. Please have a look at the documentations on the Oracle side and the Oracle downloadables for your operating system, and you should go fine with that. The entire course is recorded on Oracle Java 9 because Java 9 is the first version where the JShell came up. It's included in Java 9 for the first time, so you are fine if you have a Java 9 installed on your system or Java 10, 11, and you can go on. You can also use Java 12, 13 and so on. So if you have such a Java installed on your system, please keep it and you can jump over to the instructions on how to start JShell. So let's first download the Java. I navigated to the oracle.com website. Please type in www.oracle.com. And here you can navigate to the Java area of Oracle. You use the menu and then you click on Developers and then you click on Java, and then this site comes up, and down here you can choose Download next to Java, and then your navigation goes to the Java site, and then you click on Downloads. And here you find, for example, the JDK 11 for downloading. You can also choose or navigate to this site another way. You just use Google and type in Oracle Java Download if you don't want to use the path on the Oracle website, and then you get the first hit to this site, and you can also download Java from here. You can simply now click on this icon here, and it navigates to the download site where you have to accept the license. You firstly read, of course, the license agreement here, and then you choose Accept License Agreement, otherwise the links won't work afterwards. And then you choose for your operating system the right Java version. And my operating system is a Windows one, and I want the installer here, so I click on here, and it immediately begins to download the Java from the Oracle website. After downloading the file, I placed it on my desktop. This is the file, and I simply double-click it. And then, after I have accepted that the installer has administration rights to my operating system, the installer pops up and I simply click Next here. And I choose that everything should be installed. I click Next, and then the Java Developer Kit here in version 11 starts to install on my machine. It copies files, it registers the product, it's extracting the installer, and it's already done. Now let us start using the JShell. The JShell was installed with your Java and is located in a directory under your Java installation. So let's use my Windows operating system to navigate there and start the JShell command. On other operating systems it's very similar. You have to navigate to that directory and start the JShell command. Here This is also only a German Windows system. It's not an English one, but your mother tongue or your English operating system, your English Windows 10 system will look very similar to this operating system. So first of all, I already opened the start menu, and then I have this little bar here in the bottom, and I can type CMD in here, and then I see this little icon here, and it's the command prompt of Windows. If you are not able to navigate here, you can simply search for this little icon in your Windows, and then you can use the command prompt. I use the command prompt by simply clicking on here, and then the command prompt opens. I enlarge the window a little bit, and then I navigate to the directory where the Java installation was placed. And I do this by choosing the command cd for change directory, and then I type in C double point and then backslash and then program, and it's located in the program files directory in your Windows, but you don't have to type program files completely. You just use the auto-completion functionality of the command prompt by simply hitting the tab key, and it auto-completes to program files, and then I type /Java, and I also can use auto-completion by hitting the tab, and then I choose JDK 11 in my case. In other cases, if you have a different version installed on your operating system, it's then the version number of your Java developer kit you just installed. In this case, it's 11. In the entire course, it's 9, because Java 9 was the first version where the JShell was introduced. I also can hit tab and have this directory in here, and then I hit enter to execute this command, and I'm in the Java directory of my installation. And here I can simply type in dir for directory and see the files or directories which are in this directory, and I have the bin directory where I have to navigate in. And within the bin directory there's a program which is called JShell, and I execute this program. This takes a while, and then the JShell started and it prompts me JShell. Here I see that it's version 11, but it differs to your version you have installed.